Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification.
Good morning students. See, in the previous class that we finished the exercise 1.3. See, on the next hand we are having simplification of the real number. Say another topic is the representation of the real numbers on the number line. See, for that it needs the direct interaction of few people. So that will be taught in the regular classes. So that topic will be skipped. Okay. So let me start the simplification of the real numbers. How to simplify the real numbers? As you have studied in the previous class about the standard identities. Okay. See here some of the formulae are given. See, based on the standard identities like that a plus b whole square or a square minus b square or a minus b whole square. Based on that standard identity, some of the formulae of real numbers are given. Series page number 21 and 22. Here totally the 6 formulae are given. So you have to write them for 3 times in your homework book. Okay. Say, by looking at such standard identities that already we have learned in the previous classes, I go for the simplification of the real number. See, here example 16, if you look at, some of the real numbers are given there. Okay, search in the form of search. See, let me solve them. Okay, see, the first example is given in that 5 plus root 7. 5 plus root 7 into bracket 2 plus root 5. Say, when we are given such numbers, real numbers, as you know, for the general multiplication, if you go for, from the first term we will have to multiply to the first and the next term of this second term, and again from the second term we will have to multiply both these of the terms. Okay, as you know, these are the binomials. Okay. See, in the previous class, we have studied in the previous class that the multiplication of the binomials. Okay, if you go for the general multiplication, see here 5 into 2 it is 10. Okay, how to solve the or how to simplify the real numbers? Okay, 5 into 2 it is 10. Next, 5 into root 5 plus 5 into root 5. Okay, say plus root 7 into 2 or 2 into root 7 plus into plus it is plus root 7 into root 5. I can write it as root 5 into root 7 or root 7 or root 5. I can write it as. Okay, see here it is. Say, when I have written this, I can't get any kind of like terms here. Say, we are having here root 5. I am having a root 7. Here I am having root 5 into root 7. So I can't have any of the like terms here. So I can keep this as it is. See here 10 plus. Okay. I cannot simplify again the 5 root 5. So I will write it as it is. And here 2 root 7. So I can't simplify it further. Okay. Here I can keep it as root 5 into root 7, or I can multiply the numbers inside the radical signs. So I can write it as square root of 5 into 7, it is 35. Okay. See, it will be our the final step, because we can't simplify it further because we are having no any like terms here. Okay. So this is the way how to simplify the real numbers. Okay. Another example that I will take here. This is the second example. It is taken as 5 root 5. 5 root 5 into bracket 5 minus root 5. 5 minus root 5. See here, if you go for the standard identities, it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Okay, as you know, all a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, see it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Let me write in the form a square minus b square. Okay, see what is the a here? A is 5, b means root 5. Okay, a square means it is 5 square minus b square means root 5 whole square. Okay, see here 5 5s are 25 it is. Okay, here this root will be get cancelled, minus it is 5. What it means here? 5 remains. Okay, 25 minus 5 is nothing but 20. This is the way how to simplify the real numbers. Okay, see, let me take another one. The third example, let me take in that root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Root 3 plus root 7 whole square. See, it is in the form a plus b whole square. Okay, you go for a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, see, what do you mean by a square here? A means root 3 whole square plus b square is nothing but root 7. Okay, whole square plus 2 into ab means root 3 into root 7. Okay, say here this square they cancel out each other. Here the square cancel out. Okay, how much remains here? 3. Here 7. Okay, plus 2 into, say I can write this root 3 into root 7. I can multiply the numbers inside the radical signs. 7 3s are 27. So I can write here the 2 root 21. Okay, 3 plus 7 is nothing but 10. 10 plus root 2 root 21. So this is our answer. Okay, say another example is given there. Say, let me illustrate that too. See that, saying that the fourth one is given. See, the fourth one is given as root 11 minus root 7. Root 11 minus root 7 into bracket root 11 plus root 7. Root 11 plus root 7. See, if you look at this, it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. Okay, a minus b into a plus b is in the form, which is nothing but a square minus b square. Okay, see, let me expand that in the form a square minus b square. If I expand, what is the a square? A means root 11. A square minus b square means root 7 whole square. Okay, if you go for that, see this square cancel out each other. Okay, what remains here? 11 minus 7, which is equal to 4. Or if you don't know the standard identity, you can go for the general multiplication of this. See, another way, this method, or I can go for another method here. See, for the general multiplication, if you go root 11 into root 11. Root 11 whole square it is. Okay, root 11 into plus root 11 root 7. Okay, next minus it is minus into plus minus root 7 root 11 minus into plus it is minus root 7 into root 7 is nothing but root 7 whole square. Okay, see here plus root 11 root 7 minus root 11 root 7. Okay, they cancel out each other. What remains here? Root 11 whole square minus root 7 whole square. Again we will go for the same answer by cancel out the squares. Okay, you can go for the general multiplication or you can go with the help of the standard identity. Okay. See, here it is the way how to simplify the given real numbers. Okay. So in the next class we are going to deal some of the how to rationalize the real numbers. After that we'll go for the exercise in that. Okay.